सो पेट्रोलिंग करता आसतना 2 भुरगीं आनी ती बायल तशें एक कलीग होतो. सो बस स्टँडार बसली चडटान वाल क्वेश्चन केलो कितें जाता. सो तेंच्यांनी सांगलें की हजबंड मिसींग आहा आनी ताका हें ना सोदपाक हें ना रावपाची सोय ना. मागीर ती म्हणाली पयलीं म्हणाली कलंगूट वयता ती. मागीर ताका अनइजी फील जावन पांय सुजल्यान म्हापसा तेची आनी म्हापसा तांकां रावपाची अरेंजमेंट केली. मंडे ती पणजे व्हेली वचपाक. संडे ती सॅटर्डे संडे म्हापसाच रावली. मंडे मागीर ती पणजे परतून गेल्ली. पणजेच्यान परतून इवनींग ती म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशन मागीर हांवें सराक सांगलें आमकां सो अशें अशें आहा आनी साहेबान मागीर सराक कॉन्टेक्ट करून तांकां हेल्पाक केलें.
This gentleman, we'll call him gentleman, we won't call him policeman. He spotted a lady on Saturday, right? Saturday night with 2 small children and with expecting third one in the stomach at a bus stop. And this lady has been last 15 days moving around the streets for shelter. But this matter had come to us about 15 days ago through Margao Police Station. So we advised Margao Police Station that we will take, but you get a letter from Social Welfare Department.
And it is for a woman much more that you have to be sensitive, because a woman is always open to so much of both sexual abuse or any kind of abuse. So therefore the sensitivity towards dealing with a woman who doesn't have a shelter is much more important. And it is what we are constantly saying, that it is the state's responsibility to have homes for such women. She is a woman who has been disowned by her husband. She's got 2 small children who are vulnerable by themselves. This is a rainy season, as she explained to me when I was talking to her. She couldn't even go in the rain. It is the sensitivity of this police and other police stations who also gave her a little money for which she could at least spend to eat basic food and sing for the children.
And I'm happy that I belong to a service where we during those old days it used to call a police force. Now it is called police service. So I'm happy to be associated with, although I don't wear a khaki now. Today Street Providence has been established. Government is giving them grants. We have been able to expand.
I thank Street Providence for acknowledging our staff and congratulating him before the media and under the guidance of PI Nikhil Palekar.